Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance. If you're anything like us, you're always looking to keep your Camaro up to date and looking different. As you might know, we have always updated the look of our 2016 Camaro with different products that we offer. You can see here that we have the ACS spoiler for the 2016 to 2019 Camaro on our car, and in our opinion, it is one of the most aggressive spoilers available. So how do you take an already aggressive spoiler and make it even better? You add some Wickers to it. The kit does come with almost everything needed to install. It does come with the 2 Wickers, 6 6mm bolts, and the riv nuts that we'll have to put in place into the factory spoiler. Now, installation will require us to drill some holes so we can put those riv nuts in place, so the only thing that's not supplied in the kit is going to be a riv nut tool. For the installation, we are going to need to tape off our spoiler to prevent any damage to the existing paint. Then we can line up the wicker to the lower edge of the spoiler so we can mark the 10mm holes that we need to drill. Once drilled, we can install the riv nut fittings, line up our Wickers, and bolt them down. Now that we have this side complete, we'll go ahead and repeat the process on the other side and finish off the installation. There you have it, guys. Now, as you can see, these Wickers add to the ACS spoiler by giving it a whole new look with a simple installation. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our latest videos.